Hey guys, so it's been a really long time since I filmed a video. I've just been so busy. I just got back from Indonesia today and I haven't even finished posting my America vlogs, and I'm actually heading to London next month as well for a week. But I thought I would do kind of like a fun video. I got a lot of mail while I was away. I was away for 2.5 weeks in Indonesia. I went to Jakarta and Yogyakarta. And yeah, so I just have a lot of mail from like PR and small businesses and stuff like that. I also have one I need to pick up. Got a pen pal package from my friend Mona. I don't know what some of these things are, but yeah, okay. Let's start with this yellow one. I actually have no idea what this is. Also, sorry because I'm really sick right now. I am very congested and I thought I was gonna like die on the plane and my ear would explode and I would like go deaf forever. That's how bad my like ear block was, but all is good. I made it out alive. I don't want to be cutting the wrong thing. How have you guys been? I haven't really been active on YouTube. I've been focusing on Instagram. Instagram's my main platform, by the way. I started YouTube first before Instagram, but over time, Instagram has become my main platform. What is this? Here are some pins from whereisjasper.com. I remember now. So I actually didn't choose them, but they're so cute. Let me try to take them out of this bubble wrap. This one says dine in and take away. That's so cute. Black and white flower, that's so cute. Lastly, I'm pretty sure this is like just a small designer from New Zealand. So cute. This one says sad goddess. I love that. And it has like a little girl crying. Okay, sweet. Oh, look how cute it is. Her pen pal packages are always the best. I love when she puts little like strips inside. This little artwork. She probably like painted that. So cool. I love like little knickknacks and stuff like that because I can just hang it on my wall. Black and white striped paper. Just like super cool like cutouts and papers. Lemongrass and ginger tea. That would be good for my sickness right now. Oh. Got a bunch of stuff. Oh, the confetti's flying everywhere. Oh, that's cool. What is this? I think it's a temporary tattoo or a sticker. And then I got my letter. This fabric, cute little band-aid. You can't really tell. Oh yeah, you can kind of see. Oh, and a festival that she went to. That's so cool. This package is from this guy called Evan, and here it has like a little online store called Food. Pretty sure it's called Food, and if not, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I can't remember. He has a really super cool Instagram, but he hand felted this top for me and sent it over. Oh, it feels weird. It does not feel like a top. You know what? It's okay. It's like food. This is amazing. Look at this. It's like I just ordered food online. I need to Instagram this. Oh, that's so awesome. I think this is a sticker. It's like, yo, I didn't know which you'd like more, so I made you two. Feel free to crop him, slice him, dice him, or pan fry him. You go, girl, Evan. He's so sweet. He's super funny as well. Let's unwrap this food. It's like a little burrito. I love this. This is so funny. What great packaging. Suits the brand so well. Oh, we got a red one. Oh, and how is this even rolled? Amazing. Oh, love it. It just says food on it. And super oversized. Yes. Big fan. And then the second one we have is a yellow t-shirt. Probably really boring. Like, tell me what you think about these videos. Oh, we have another one. Yes. Big fan. Like, legit, these two colors are iconic. I might do like a duo photo or something with like my friends. I think that would be fun. Okay, so the next one is from Tailor Made Communications, which is like a PR agency in Sydney. They just sent me a pair of Lee shorts, I think. Pretty sure it was Lee. They were like the Writers Collection. Also, I've had these scissors since I was in year 2. For a long time. made. Hi Tara, we hope you love your new Riders by Lee Australia shorts. Can't wait to see your post, the maids. That's really cool. It's like a little door sign. And I chose out these like denim shorts like this. I don't really wear shorts, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get some. I don't really wear shorts because I don't like how they look on me, but these ones are a bit longer than like booty shorts. So I feel like these will suit me better. Yes. Probably wear it with this top or like the tops I just got. Then I have a package from Goodbye Bread. Their bags are so cool. They're all checkered. Also, it's only 10:26 and I feel like it's 5 p.m. right now because I haven't slept. We arrived at 6 a.m. this morning and I didn't sleep like on the plane. So okay, cool. That's just the receipt. This is Goodbye Bread sent this to me. So I got some fruity socks, which I should probably wear with my food shirts that I just got, because that will match very well. They're super cute, colourful, and it actually matches the colour scheme of this. I love it. And then I also got some camo pink pants. Finally joining the trend. I saw these and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to buy them for myself, but I do want them. So I just chose them from their site. Ooh, these are mad. Yes, big fan. They're by the brand Rothko. Sweet. So like Goodbye Bread stocks like a bunch of different brands and I think they have their own stuff as well. Sweet. A lot of new stuff to style. And then last off, I need to sneeze. I hate when you need to sneeze but you can't sneeze. I've been working with Misguided on Instagram. So I've been getting new stuff from them every once in a while. Okay, so this is part of their activewear collection campaign. So it's like kind of active streetwear. I hate how much plastic there is though. So I kind of like chose out like outfits from their activewear stuff that I could like style all together. So I had like these pink bike shorts. They kind of look a bit see-through. Oh no, that's G. So I have these pink bike shorts, and then to match that, I got a top. Hold up. Super nice, soft material. Got this matching top. It's very, Kanye West, whatever his clothing line thing is called. But I kind of vibe with that. I feel like I can spice it up in my own style. Then I have another matching sort of thing that I did. Like, they came separately, but I chose them out. So I have these shorts. This is good because I actually want to start exercising. And then I can wear these and still look cute. And then this matching Voltage tops. So I think the stuff is branded with Voltage. It took me a while to read that said Voltage when I was looking at it online. But yeah, so I have these two as a matching and then these two matching. So that's super cute. And then I just chose out a bag as well that I could style with the pink outfit. And also this is just like a really cute bag that I saw on this site and I was like, I want a pink bag. So yeah, it's by their Barbie collaboration. So cute. And I love pink, of course. And it has like the massive O-rings. Huge fan. Should I do a separate video for my Indonesia haul? I'll just show it now. I like literally didn't get anything Indonesia, but I had a mini meetup and one of the girls, Nesha, that's how you pronounce it, I think, drew me this on Photoshop and then she printed it out and framed it for me. Like, how incredible is that? Her username is Neshaers. Check her out on Instagram. She's super sweet too. And then I also bought like these chains. And I'm just gonna make a bunch of belt chains out of it. Got this. I think I got like 6 cut. I can't remember what the store name is called, but I just got some stationery. It starts with a G. No idea. But I got, these were kind of expensive. They were like $11, but they're these 5 color highlighters, but they're pastel. And I just wanted pastel highlighters for my bullet journal, to be honest. Like, I'll definitely get my use out of it, so I was like, you know what, I'll just get them anyway. And then I just got some basic pens. They were super like jelly roll-on, and I was like, you know what, I want those, and I never buy stationery for myself, so I bought like these batik shorts, but I don't know. Oh no, they're right here. Jokes. Yeah, I don't know if I'll wear them out or if I will actually just like wear them at home, but I thought they were kind of cute. And then I got 2 Tintin posters. I finally got Tintin stuff. Like, I have been wanting Tintin like t-shirts or like posters for the longest time. They were $5 each, which is kind of expensive, but they're like actual cardboard, hard cardstock sort of material. And yeah, like I have so many posters in my room. I was like, this will just like look so good. There's that. And the last thing is this bag that I got for $2. It's definitely not real Hugo Boss, but I got it at like some market, and it's so cool. It has so many like different clips and stuff.